Welcome back to Relay Gun Adventures, and to a quick little look, an introduction if you like, to my Tourbon hunting axe cover. Now my channel's really about shooting air guns, but I also do some bushcraft, and when I'm out with my friends we tend not to take a packed lunch. We tend to eat what we find, light a fire, cook things up, and I'm going to include that in some of the videos. And recently I thought I'll get myself a new axe cover, because the one I had was a bit of cheap old rubber, and I've got this Tourbon hunting thing of beauty. It's leather, it looks really well made. If you look at the actual finish of that burnishing is really good. Those are heavy duty rivets in there, and that is a thick piece of leather. Now it's got this lanyard for adjustment. I've not adjusted it because this is so nice. I'm not going to be using it on this axe. I'm going to go and buy myself a decent one, because the axe just shows everything up now. But certainly for the time being, it makes this axe look $1 million. So if you've got an axe, or you're going to get an axe and you want a decent cover for it, don't rely on a piece of rubbishy silicone that will fall off. Get yourself a decent cover, and I can really recommend these Tourbon hunting axe covers. You can find these on Amazon. Now I'm going to be doing a few videos over the probably the next month or so, which will include at least some bushcrafting, and I might do a series of dedicated videos, so you might be seeing a lot of this axe cover and a lot of my replacement axe. Anyway, I'll do a quick roundup and I'll be on my way. Be right back.